Good everyone, welcome to my channel. Got this Dell laptop here to fix. The customer that brought this laptop in, he said that this laptop has a power issue. He said it's dead. Okay? Charger connected and it's not taking any power. The charging light is supposed to be here, but there's nothing. But I noticed something. Once you plug in the charger, it flashes the light, then it goes off. Okay? Charger connected. See that? Then it goes off. Okay. Okay, let's try to power it on. See, it flashes the light, then it goes up. They've tried fixing it before. I wasn't the one that opened it. I've tried fixing it before. Okay, powered on. See, it takes power, then it goes off. See on the power supply. Powered on again. You see? Okay, I don't know. Let's see what could be the problem. But what they said to me, they say it's dead. The laptop is dead. Really? I don't know. But let's check together what could be this problem and see if we can fix it. And see if we can fix it. Things like this, when you receive something that a laptop that already went to other technician, it's kind of somehow, because they've tried to fix it, they've tried their best, they couldn't fix it. Battery out. Get it as close to take out from the laptop so we can get access to the board. Okay. By the way, thanks to everyone who have subscribed to my channel. And if you are watching this video now, you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe for more repair videos like this. For more repair videos. This is a Dell laptop. i3. My guess is a 6th gen. Guess is 6th gen. i3 6th generation. Okay. I'll take it out. Okay. Okay. That's the back cover. Okay, here we are on the board. Just checking if there's anything physical damage, but I can't see anything. Okay. Okay, let's disconnect this hard drive because it's making noise. Okay, before that, let's just clear the CMOS. Just for a few seconds or so. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's connect the charger again. Charger connected. It flashes the light. See that? That's strange, eh? It's taking 35 milliamp. You see that? What did I do? I took out the CMOS battery. Now it's off. You see? We've got the display. Hey, this is strange. Oh, definitely have a display now. It's trying to recognize the board, hence the CMOS battery is out. Did you see that? Oh, this is strange. What kind of work is this? It's so strange. The first one I did before this video was coming from the same person. The same thing, the frozen BIOS. I don't get it. Really? It's all frozen BIOS. It's all frozen BIOS. Okay? Powered off. Then powered on again. Let's see. Powered on again. Really? Really? Frozen BIOS all day. Frozen BIOS all day. Frozen BIOS all day. Okay? It is a frozen BIOS. And it's, by the way, it's very cold on this side. Hence, it's winter time. The CMOS battery seems to be fine. I'm just checking the voltage on the battery. Yeah, it's still fine. I don't know why is everything freezing now. What is going on? These days, everything is freezing. Everything is freezing these days. I don't know what is going on. I really don't know what is going on. Okay, let's test again. Powered on. Laptop is on. Then we have a display. Okay, I wouldn't waste much of your time. It was just a quick fix. It was a frozen BIOS. It was a frozen BIOS. So I will end this video now. Not what I expected, really. Really not what I expected. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Bye bye.